Little but mighty!
Teacher!
Hello, Ketchup. You look perturbed.
I see. Perturbed? Oh, you mean anxious or upset? Yes, I am, teacher. Mayo is angry with me.
What happened?
Well...
Hey, you, Ketchup! We're still going out to play tomorrow, right? Where do you think we should go? Whom should we invite?
We can go out with a friend.
Huh? What do you mean? I asked where and with whom. What are we playing? What time are we meeting? It is your turn to plan our play day out, and I don't know anything.
What do you mean, Mayo? I already told you that we're going out with a friend to play.
Forget it. I'm not going.
Wait, Mayo, what did I say? What did I say?
I see. What do you think, friends of Little but Mighty? What do you think made Mayo angry?
Teacher, what should I do?
Well, Ketchup, your problem can be solved with adverbial phrases. Everyone, welcome to Ketchup on English.
Bubble phrases? Bubble?
Adverbial phrases. Adverbial phrases contain two or more words that add more details to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs.
What kind of details, teacher?
Well, you see, adverbial phrases of manner tells you how you do things. Adverbial phrases of time tells you when you do things. Adverbial phrases of place tells you where you do things. And finally, adverbial phrases of purpose tells you why you do something.
How can I use adverbial phrases so that Mayo's not angry with me the next time I see her?
Well, using adverbial phrases to describe something adds more details and makes it clearer on how, when, where, and why. Mayo just needed a little more information. Think back on what you said.
I said we can go out with a friend tomorrow. Oh, if I use adverbial phrases, I can add details. We can go out to the playground at the nearby park. We should meet at 5 in the afternoon. We should go with Pepper to play hopscotch.
Yes, that's right. Look at all the adverbial phrases you've used.
I get it now. Thank you, teacher. Let me go find Mayo.
Wait! I need to tell you one more thing. If you need to add even more detail, you should use adverbial clauses. They have a subject and a verb.
Wow! You mean I can add even more detail? Like, hey Mayo, we're going to the playground so that we can have lots of fun. We'll have the time of our lives, even though you are very grumpy sometimes.
That's right, but wait. I think we should leave that second adverbial clause out.
Okay, teacher, I was just joking.
Hello! Like and subscribe.
Mayo, no, it's like and subscribe if you like our content, adverbial clause. Click the subscribe button on your screen, adverbial phrase. Click it with a lot of energy, adverbial phrase. Support our channel so that we can make more videos, adverbial phrase.
Yes! I think we get it! Enough with the adverbial phrases and clauses!
She got angry again.